grab your hand so we can run. I won't let go until we've won. I'm sorry we're taking the hardest road, but at least we're moving forward.
Hi, my name is Austin Iyer, and I'm the co-area head of musical theater here at the University of Texas at Arlington, as well as the director of Moving Forward, a brand new devised work. So even though we can't have live audiences this year, we thought it was really important that the Maverick Theater Company still present a full season virtually for our students. I also thought it was really important to take time to discuss what's going on in our country. So over the past 3 weeks, the cast of Moving Forward has come together to talk, to discuss our feelings and what we've been going through the past couple of months, and then see if we could try to answer, how do we move forward? Using these discussions as a jumping off point, students then created their own scenes, songs, poems, or paintings that address topics that were important to them. Because our entire rehearsal process has been virtual, we were able to bring in 3 guest artists from the Broadway community to take these original works created by the students and expand them into a larger theatrical piece.
I spent the last 2 years in the Broadway company as well as the national tour company of Dear Evan Hansen, and I've been incorporating all of the things that I've learned from working in professional theater into this process. It's been so exciting, and the students of the UTA program are so incredible and so bright, and I really hope that you enjoy their work.
Part of what I'm doing to facilitate the creation of this piece is using all sorts of different experience that I've had, from being an associate director on Broadway to being a writer myself and working on new musicals that I've written or adapted. I think with a devised piece, it's important to be open to possibility and to be open to exploring.
It was such a pleasure being able to work with you all and to see and witness and experience the ways in which you are allowing yourself to come through your artistry.
Being able to work with guest artists like Maria and Austin and Donald Shorter Jr., it's an awesome experience to work with them. They are so knowledgeable, they're amazing to work with, and most of all, they genuinely care about the progression of this show and building it and working with us to create this amazing piece of art that we have.
It's just been really cool to see what we're capable of doing on Zoom and what we're capable of doing without a theater space.
This production is perhaps the most exciting thing that's happened to me all semester. The diversity is amazing. The topics, no limits.
Working on Moving Forward has brought out a creativity and a drive that I honestly didn't know I had in me. And it's been really refreshing to talk to my peers and my friends about things that are happening in the world that I care about. And it's really assuring to know that all of the people that I love care about it too.
At least we're moving.